to OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Gnome Workshop Portable USB Charger. This is the 3000 mAh capacity version, and it sells on Amazon currently for only $12, which is incredibly inexpensive. It's crafted out of aluminum, so it has a really good construction quality, and the size of this particular power bank is ultra small and easy to carry around. It also has a pretty interesting shape that we'll discuss later on. There's an LED indicator on board that tells you while the power bank is being charged, it's going to turn red, and when it's charging a smartphone or a tablet, it's going to turn blue. There's a single USB output, which is rated at 5V 1 amp, which makes it good for charging smartphones, but not as great for charging larger devices, such as the Apple iPad or a tablet that requires more power. It comes in a number of different colors as well. We have the blue version here for review purposes. As you can see, this is the packaging. It looks pretty nicely presented. On the back, there's some basic info. And on the inside, there is a micro USB cable that comes included for charging the power bank itself. You can also use it to charge your phone afterwards. And that's basically it. Here's the aforementioned cable. It's pretty standard. And this is the power bank. So taking a look at the design of the power bank next, as you can see, it's pretty elegant and functional. It has an aluminum build, so it does feel pretty substantial in the hand, and weight distribution is also quite even. On the front, you have the Gnome Workshop logo embedded, and the square shape allows it to not roll around when you place it onto a desk or onto a surface, which is a plus. The corners on the top, though, are a little bit sharp, so if you're holding it in the hand, it can get a little bit uncomfortable, but overall, it's pretty portable and easy to tote around. On the top, you have access to a LED indicator and also access to the USB input for charging the device itself, micro USB, and there's also a full-size USB output for charging a cell phone or a tablet. Taking a quick look at the performance of this power bank, I will quickly charge it up using a LG G Flex and see how it functions. There are no on-off switches that you need to press. Basically just plug it into the power bank and the charging will start automatically. There's a blue LED that will also flash on the power bank when the charging is in process. And otherwise, this is also a smart power bank in a sense. It's not going to overcharge or overheat your device during operation, and we found that it quickly charged up most Android phones in around 2 hours or so. It also depends on the capacity of your device, but again, 3000 mAh capacities is generally sufficient to charge a larger Android smartphone around 95%, almost to 100%. For the iPhone 6, we had to charge it for roughly 3.5 hours before we got nearly a full charge, but that's about average as far as performance speeds and rates are concerned. Charging up the power bank unit itself takes roughly 2.5 hours to complete, so I would recommend doing that overnight. At the end of the day, the Gnome Workshop 3000 mAh capacity mobile power bank offers an enticing design as well as a pretty good performance and value for the money. It's relatively inexpensive and has a very compact portfolio. It's also crafted out of aluminum, so it feels very sturdy in the hand. To learn more information about this power bank, be sure to read our full written review, but this has been our video. Thanks for watching. Here are OS Reviews.